Can you solve this equation? If you can, put the answer in the comments. But let's do it together. Find the value of m. What you have here is an equation, right? So to get m, let's get rid of the coefficient of m. So we divide both sides by 4. 4 cancels 4. And then you have m raised to the power 4 over 3 is equal to 164 divided by 4. That is 16. Because 4 into 6 is 1. Remember 2. When you put the 2 here, 24 divided by 4 is 6. And then you have 16. Moving on. Now, from one of the laws of indices, when you have a fractional index, fraction, that's an index that has the form of a fraction. It can be expressed like this. Let's say you have a raised to the power m over n. The numerator is the power, is what a must be raised to. And then n is the root. So, for example, you have, say, 8 raised to the power 2 over 3. This can be expressed as what? The cube root, because 3 here, the denominator is the root. So the cube root of 8 all raised to the power 2, which the cube root of 8 is 2, raised to the power 2 is 4. So that's what we're going to do here. I'm going to rewrite this as, or if I don't want to do that, what I can do to get rid of the root is to cube both sides. Because when you cube both sides, it will cancel the cube root. Because I want to start by getting rid of the cube root, so I'm going to cube both sides. You see what I just did? Now 4 over 3 times 3, this is what? 4 over 3 times 3. 3 cancels 3, so you have 4. So this is m raised to the power what? 4. Or you can just cancel out like that, but I just had to show you like this. This is equal to what? The cube of 16. What is 16 times 16 times 16? Now, if you don't want to do it by yourself, you can just use a calculator. 16 raised to the power 3, or 16 times 16 times 16, which is what? 4096. So m raised to the power 4 is 4096. We're not done yet. What do we do now to get rid of the power of 4? We're going to apply the fourth root to both sides. Remember, root opposite of the power. Yeah. So the fourth root of this, and then the fourth root of what? 4096. So this fourth root will get rid of the power of 4, and then you just have m, which is equal to, what's the fourth root of 4096? That's a number that will multiply itself 4 times to give you 4096. You can use your calculator, but the answer is actually 8, because 8 times 8 times 8 times 8 is 4096. Hope to see you in the next video.